Could you confirm that your name is Hilary Bosuben Kibet?
Yes.
Honorable Senators, the affidavit by the witness is at page 121 to page 124 of bundle 1 of the governor's bundle. Could you confirm which is your ward? You are an elected MCA?
I'm an elected member.
Yes.
Member of County Assembly,
yes.
Representing Cheplanget Ward.
Cheplanget Ward. And you are aware that we are here on the issue of whether or not you voted in favor or against the impeachment of His Excellency, the Governor of Kericho. Now, were you in the County Assembly on the 15th of August 2025?
Yes, I was.
When the impeachment proceedings were going on and the decision was made?
I was there.
Okay. Now, and have you captured the events of that day in your affidavit?
Yes, I did.
And the affidavit is the one which is at page 121 to 124 of page 121 to 124, isn't it?
Correct.
And you'd like to rely on it in support of your contentions?
Yes.
You also, I would like you to be shown page 109.
Page 109?
Page 109, bundle 1.
Yes.
Could you confirm what that is?
It is an OP.
It is an OP. Could you confirm that is the OP with which you reported your complaint about? You reported a complaint?
Yes, I confirm.
What was the nature of your complaint?
That I never voted for the motion on impeachment of the governor.
So what? What was the complaint?
Okay, my name appeared in the list.
Yes.
Of the people who voted yes.
Yes.
To the motion.
Yes. So you are complaining to the police about the impersonation of your vote?
Yeah,
okay.
Very true.
And you at page 110, what is it you have raised there at page 110?
Okay, we reported to the DCI headquarters Nairobi.
That is also a letter of complaint to DCI about?
To investigate into the use of unauthorized digital voting system in Kericho County Assembly and infringement of our rights.
Okay, so that's okay. I would like you to move on to page 113. What have you captured at page 113 to page 116? That is an affidavit, isn't it?
It's an affidavit, yes.
It is sworn by how many people?
18.
18 people. Who are the 18 people?
Those who are opposed to the motion.
They are the MCS, isn't it?
The MCS, yes.
Okay. And what was, in just one sentence, what was your complaint?
That we were protesting against the voting process for the removal of the governor.
Okay. Now, I would like us to look at page 116 of that affidavit.
Yes.
Who prepared that affidavit? It is drawn and filed by who?
Katwa Kigen.
Could you look at it, please?
Filed by Ms. Mutai and co-advocates.
It is drawn by MS Mutai and company advocates.
Yeah.
I can see Mr. Mutuma is aggrieved that I've asked that question. And who is the commissioner of what was commissioned it?
Brian Kiprotich Langat.
Brian Kiprotich. Where is he based?
Kepo Plaza, Imarisha Building.
Where?
In Kericho.
In Kericho. It's owned by Brian. Now, I would like you to go to your affidavit, page 125, and I want you to go particularly to page 127.
Pardon, 125?
127, page 127. It's commissioned by who?
Chepet Ngetich Fans.
And where is she? Did you appear before her? Did you go to her?
Yeah.
Where is she based?
The same place, Kepo Plaza.
Kepo Plaza.
The same floor, different rooms.
The same building, the same floor, but different offices?
Different offices, yeah.
Okay. And this was in Kericho. So, okay, let's now discuss the issues relating to the case. Did you cast a vote on the motion of the impeachment of the governor on the 15th of August 2025 at the County Assembly of Kericho?
No, not at all.
You did not?
Yes.
Okay. And so when the County Assembly brings a list showing your name as one of the people who voted, what is your position?
I immediately, together with the 4 members.
Your position is that that is fraud?
That's a fraud.
Okay. Now, Why did you refuse to vote? Sorry, so did you vote at all, or you voted no, or you abstained?
I abstained. I never voted.
So the nature of your vote was that you did not cast any vote?
Yes.
You completely didn't touch
I
any
didn't
button?
touch any button. I had no catcher. I
Yes.
never voted.
Okay. And that remains your position as you stand before
Yes.
the Senate today?
Yes.
And that is captured in your affidavit, your first affidavit, your second affidavit, and the oath you've taken before the senators?
It's captured.
That you did not vote?
Yes.
Okay. Now, why didn't you vote?
I didn't vote because detection of fraud, there was a sinister motive, prediction of mischief, introduction of the system at the last minute. On a system we were never trained on.
Okay. So one is, I can hear you clearly saying that it is a system you had not been trained on.
Yes.
Any other reason why you didn't vote? Is there any other reason why you didn't vote, other than the fact that you had not been trained?
Okay, I personally,
Yes.
I had the intention not to impeach, not to support the motion
Yes.
of the impeachment of the governor.
Yes, that's a different
And,
issue.
Now,
Yes.
Because I never trusted the system.
Okay. So your other reason is because you did not have
Yeah.
faith in the system.
Yes.
Was it? Had you ever used that system previously?
No.
The decision to use it was made when?
Some few minutes to voting.
It was the decision to use it was being made a few minutes to the voting. And did you object to the use of the electronic voting?
Yes.
Could you tell us how many times did you object?
Many times when the speaker put a question,
Yes.
we all rose up for a division.
Okay. So when the speaker, and that is captured in, that you actually objected?
Yes.
Okay. Honorable Senators, we will play a video of that objection. So that was the first time. Any other time?
You yourself, being the counsel for the governor, or the legal team for the governor, requested us to stand to declare if we want electronic voting or we don't want electronic voting. And we all stood, the 18 of us.
You were also ignored. So there was a time when the question was being put whether you should use electronic or not, and you objected, isn't it?
Yes.
You also stood up when I asked you to confirm that 18 of you are opposed to it.
Yes.
Any other time you raised your objection?
And there's another time
Yes.
when the speaker called one honorable member, Paul P.,
Yes.
to go and cast his vote.
Yes.
Honorable Paul P. Moved there and he said loudly that I abstain.
Okay, so now I want us to move on to, just before we move to a different issue. So you say you are how many? How many were opposed? 18. 18. So if 18 did not vote, how many votes would have been cast in the assembly?
29.
29. How many are you at the county?
47.
47, thank you. Now, did you pass, as a county assembly, did you pass policies, guidelines, and then a manual on the use of electronic voting?
No.
Okay. Now, you say your vote was impersonated.
Yes.
Have you come to learn who impersonated you in the vote?
Not really, but there is a clip.
Yes.
I have a friend by
Yes.
the name, and he's the motion mover.
Yes.
By the name Honorable Rogoin.
Yes.
Kiprotich Rogoin.
Kiprotich Rogoin.
He called me
Yes.
the following day.
Yes.
After he moved the motion.
Yes.
And he declared
Yes.
that he had voted for me.
Yes.
That I need just to go and sign the affidavit.
Yes.
That I voted yes.
He wanted you to go and sign, and was there? Okay, apart from saying you go sign an affidavit, what else did he say?
He used a lot of lucrative words.
He gave you incentives.
Incentives.
What were the incentives?
200,000 Kenya shillings.
200.
A trip to Rwanda,
Uh-huh.
of which I objected because I had already been promised that I go to Dubai.
Yes.
So and he said, I'll take you to Dubai. In fact, I'll give you 200,000, take you to Dubai.
Okay.
Yeah.
And if the senators really wanted to know whether that conversation took place, do you have anything to support that?
I have it here.
You
In
have
fact,
on your phone?
It doesn't.
And it's part of your exhibits.
Okay.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I request for the permission of the Assembly to play the first audio we have. We had asked the technical team to to get it ready. The audio on the conversation between Honorable Kibet and Honorable Rogony.
Amaja Mwana Kibet, Mati, don't waste time. You're giving out of the country, Wendy. Is ready. Ona Mwanachi, Mamaja wa ipitune. Yangi male posters, iza merawe, azana koro. Kifutani ina bread. Sign an affidavit ko. Rone agi pet. In fact, oda muja demone 200,000. Agi we kabisa.
Oja wakso.
Imaje anaiwendi.
Jawa agi mutambi that agi biriba kwa Dubai. Bari kiwo law for ina mukimo.
Dubai muti mache gani ma muje cho.
Ami resap kabisa imi ak law kyukwe.
Mache ngero yawe. Na ge ma cho. Policy. Kaza ngibe. Na mora. Oya jabrus kura otiana.
Go biru angure?
I'm using it because of you.
Pada ura anda nyone? Yeah?
I don't go in governors.
Yeah? Yeah. Come aruru. Yeah, thank you, bro. Come alini.
You are defending a governor, the give Sarta. Cha.
Isn't it the other?
Yeah, Jawi, we love that. I don't believe it is. I never lived no aggravated Javlang. We get to go on very job, I guess, when I was the Cabin Wura. Little Cover's good out of it.
We do a good.
Cargo with kitchen. And I would.
What was he with the letter or Manu Tigre would have done when you?
You might be able to go over emotion mover.
You're over here.
I'm doing 10 contenders. I'm not threatening you, but more threatening over there. Kija Pura, the MC in a way of land because the most competent member of council. Do you know what? I'm a young really competent. If Mutu has born, they got 100,000. I was it. As a liberator, but if it possible, it's qualified.
Yeah.
That means the body you are so much. Yeah, ni kelly 100,000. What wrong?
Makelena na nyira. Makelena na Johnny, amazing you get about this young alal, and the Ogini. So, I
report about why we have a blanket.
I know.
So,
what I know, go by in.
Report everything. I don't remember about Floca, NC, FCDP. Governor of FCDP. You get it? Governor of Nap, CD. Babas, Monday Governor will go a money.
Gully.
I want you without the governor. Give it.
That aside, did you? Watcha, give it. Good. I don't come there, Jarana. Go to see what could you do?
When the
Ask you to the Nigers in which I can and you do more than you.
I give it to Aaron, give it good in assembly. Stop anything. I go you are the channel labor.
Labor.
Pagacho, very much, Kazan. Away in Rwanda. And we are no. Ngila moja amutenes kibet. Magi ese to kibet. Ona mezereti.
Yeah, he is it.
Mati berwari to kibet. Pero look at the interests. Give Utani syringe next week. Daddy, Lagan the Lavat Garag like Kericho. I impeach Governor. Governor Mutai is impeached. Kazana Koro. I want to buy a mente, go impeach and wear.
Yeah.
So, Mati Abuza Guanagabet, Gero, you know the best. Avive ile Kericho. That evening, ile Kyoite credentials. Credentials.
Yeah.
Credentials. Credentials. I came out. Credentials.
Amigo mie kabisa.
Okay.
Unata wewe baba.
Now, it is your testimony. You remember that Honorable Ogony was here yesterday.
Yes.
And he made reference to that video.
Yes.
That recording, that audio.
Yes.
And he said that it is not true.
Yes.
What is your position on that point that it is not true?
This is very true.
Yes.
And in fact, Ogony said he has never called me.
Yes.
And in fact, I can produce, with the permission of the Speaker, that if I can offer my phone to one of the senators even to check, because this doesn't require
or the clerk,
even the expert, even the clerk,
yes,
to check. Ogony called me, and in fact, he has been texting me. In fact, on Saturday, he texted me to ask about the flocker issues. And
so he's been communicating with you throughout?
On that, on 16,
yes,
12 minutes past 11,
yes,
he called me,
yes,
with all those stories.
Okay. Now, the number he's been calling you even as recent as Saturday, is it the same number that he had used to call you when you recorded this conversation?
The same number.
Okay. You remember he said he's an SDA. Is he an SDA?
Okay, I never listened very well, and if I can confirm, I thought he said 7th D. So I thought that anyway, there is a 7th D club along the highway when you are going to Nakuru. So I was thinking he was referring to that 7th D.
There's a club called 7D.
Yeah, 7th D, I think so.
Okay.
Because as you go along this highway.
Now, he said he's due to travel to Rwanda. You remember he said that in the audio?
Yes, I
Is it true as a fact that he's due to travel to Rwanda?
I don't know.
You don't know that?
Yeah.
Okay. Then he also said the president is in support of this impeachment. You heard him say that?
Yes.
Do you know anything about that?
I don't know, but I just believe they are those are blackmails.
Okay, and do you know somebody called Hesbon?
Hesbon is my predecessor.
The one you took over the office from as an MCA?
Yes, I do.
Okay. And so that's a fact that is not...
That's a fact.
Okay. And he also said he's the motion mover in the clip.
Yes.
Is he, in fact, the motion mover in this case?
Yes.
And so, are you friends?
With Ogony is a colleague. He has been a friend. But you can allow me say this.
Yes.
He has been fighting me on some instances because he's my successor as chair finance. I was the chair finance before the first impeachment of the governor. Yes. So that is when he moved the motion, he took my position. So you will as an offer, just like he had said, that he will reward me with the position of chair labor.
So it is your testimony that if you cooperate with the speaker, when he cooperated with the speaker to move the first motion, he was rewarded with chairmanship of finance.
Yes.
And if you had cooperated to swear an affidavit to say you had voted, you would have been rewarded with the chairmanship of labor.
Next week I would have been the chair labor.
From next week you'd already be a chair?
Yes.
Okay. Now, I would like us to move on to the next issue. The question of procedure used to on the division on the impeachment of the governor. So it is your testimony that the electronic voting was made, the decision to use electronic voting was made that morning?
Some few minutes to 40.
Okay. And you said you raised an objection to that?
Yes.
And how was that question as to whether or not to use electronic voting taken up?
The Speaker read Standing Orders number 79, and he explained that we are supposed to use electronic voting.
Yes.
And he read to around subsection 5,
Yes.
and he said you can read the others.
Yes.
Then he put the question. When he put the question, we, the 18 of us, stood for a division.
Yes.
But Speaker was adamant to listen to our voices, and he proceeded.
And is that captured in?
Yeah, in fact, it's in the video.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I would request to play the video clip relating to that process on the question of division.
So, honorable members, pursuant to Standing Order number 771, which reads, unless the Speaker, for the convenience of the Assembly, otherwise directs, voting on a division in the Assembly shall be by electronic voting. Honorable members, electronic voting, unless the Speaker, for the convenience of the Assembly, otherwise directs, voting on a division in the Assembly shall be by the electronic voting. 2, when the Speaker directs that an electronic voting to be taken, the division bell shall be rung for not more than 10 minutes, and the Assembly shall proceed to a vote at the expiry of the 5 minutes or such further time as the Speaker may, for the convenience of the Assembly, direct. Number 1, during electronic voting, members shall cast their votes by pressing either the yes, no, or abstain button. 4, at the expiry of the voting, at the expiry of 5 minutes or as soon as the result of the voting appears on the indicator board, the Speaker or the chairperson, as the case may be, shall announce the results forthwith. Honorable members, you can read your standing orders up to Standing Order number 8, will guide you on what to do. And I therefore put the question, will as many as are of that similar opinion say aye? Aye. Will as many as are of that contrary opinion say nay? Nay. Honorable members, the voting shall be done by electronic as per Standing Order number 77.
I would like to request the...
You may take your seats so that we proceed.
Thank you. I would request the technical team to just keep that video within reach. Now, Mr. If you could play up to the point where it is feasible that the 18 were standing, please.
The will be done by electronic as per Standing Order.
If you could freeze it there. Could you point out to the honorable senators if indeed the 18 of you were opposed, expressed your opposition?
Yes.
How did you express your opposition?
We stood.
And is it visible on that video? Yeah.
Very visible.
It's very visible. It's the people standing there, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. Now, if the clip could just be kept there. So first of all, the first question I would like to ask you, from that audio, who are the majority, the nays or the yes?
The nays.
If the audio could be played again so that the honorable senators can make their own judgment as to who had the vote.
Honorable members, you can read your standing orders up to Standing Order number 8, will guide you on what to do. And I therefore put the question, will as many as are of that similar opinion say aye? Aye. Will as many as are of that contrary opinion say nay? Nay.
If you could just freeze it there. Could you, so it is your wish that the senators apply their own judgment and determine who are the louder by acclamation?
Yes, I trust this House.
Now, the second issue, and so you've demonstrated that 18 of you stood, that the nays were more. If the clip could be played, and honorable senators, I just want you to apply your mind as to whether a declaration was made by the Speaker, as to whether the ayes or nays have it, if it could be played now.
Honorable members, you can read your standing orders up to standing order number 8. Will guide you on what to do. And I therefore put the question, will as many as are of that similar opinion say aye? Aye. Will as many as are of that contrary opinion say nay? Nay. All the honorable members, the voting shall be done by electronic as per standing order number 77.
Thank you. So did the speaker determine whether the nays or ayes have it?
No.
There was no declaration?
Yes.
Okay. And is it required that he should make that declaration before you proceed?
Yes.
And the reason why he did not make the declaration?
I don't know.
Isn't it because the nays were more?
Yeah, I think so.
And it was inconvenient for his plan?
Yes.
Okay. I would like us to move on to a different issue. So then the voting started after this clip, isn't it?
Yes.
Honorable Senators, I very kindly request the capture of those proceedings is at page 255 of volume 1 of the Governor's Bundle. Those proceedings are captured at page 255 of the Governor's Bundle. One last thing before we move out of that conversation, Mr. Honorable Kibet. The speaker said that how long would it take to conclude the voting?
5 minutes.
5 minutes. And in actual fact, how many minutes did it take?
11 minutes.
11 minutes. It took 11 minutes.
Yeah.
Contrary to the standing orders.
The standing orders, yes.
Okay. Now, I'd like us to move on to a different issue. So after this, you then moved on to voting, isn't it?
Yes.
And did anybody... So the 18 of you wanted what? What did you want? Were you opposed to the voting? To the voting on that impeachment motion?
Not really.
You are not opposed to making a vote?
Yes.
Okay.
But we wanted a transparent,
yes,
the system where we are used to.
Yes.
That is roll call voting, which is very transparent.
Okay. So you wanted the option to do roll call voting?
Yes.
Does Kericho County standing orders provide for roll call voting?
Yes.
What does it require for roll call voting to occur?
If 5 members stood on a division,
yes,
for a division, then Speaker could rule,
yes,
that roll call voting be allowed.
So the moment you have 5 people opposed and insisting on a roll call, you go for roll call. That's your point?
Yes.
From the standing orders?
Yes.
Do you recall that standing order that you are referring to?
It's in standing order number 77, but I don't remember the subsection.
It's standing order number 79. Now, so then the voting started, isn't it?
Yes.
Did anybody then, so what, do you recall who raised the first objection when the real process started?
Okay, Honorable Gabriela,
yes,
stood,
yes, and
asked the Speaker that we have not been trained,
yes,
on this system you are introducing to us now,
yes,
the electronic system.
Yes.
And the Speaker gave a time to make a declaration. But when Honorable Gabriela raised that question,
yes,
Speaker said, I have ruled over that.
Yes.
Yeah.
And said you will be assisted.
You will be assisted, yeah.
To use electronic voting.
Correct.
Okay, apart from Honorable Gabriela, did anybody else raise an objection?
So Honorable Kiptegan stood, okay, Paul P.
Paul B.
His nickname is Kiptegan.
Paul B., whose nickname is Kiptegan.
Yes.
Yes.
Stood and said, I abstain.
Yes.
Yeah.
So 2 people raised objections. Gabriela saying we can't use it because we have not been trained, and Paul B. saying that I want to be on record as abstaining.
Yes.
When the results were eventually brought out, and which is at page 90, Honorable Senators, page 98, did Paul B.'s abstention, was Paul B.'s abstention captured in that?
No.
Okay. Honorable Senators, the Hansard proceedings relating to the complaints by the 2 Honorable MCAs, Paul B. and Gabriela, are at page 256 to 257 of volume 1, volume 1 of the Governor's Bundle. If you could be shown that. Now, I want us to go straight to the... Yes. I would like us to go straight to where we are looking at. Honorable Senators, I'm going to the fourth paragraph. The fourth paragraph starts by saying these words: you can proceed to vote one by one. Yes, one by one. And so the voting was supposed to be in what sequence?
We were never told.
No. What does he say there?
Oh, one by one.
So one was to follow the other one, isn't it?
Yes.
And if you voted one by one, would it have been possible to vote
in 5 minutes?
Within a second?
Not possible.
Would it have been possible to vote within 5 minutes?
Not really.
Okay. Now let's proceed then with the audio, with the Hansard. Then it said, we start from here, one by one. Who doesn't have the phone or the tablet? Yes, Honorable Francis Terrer. We start with Honorable Paul B. Is this the Paul B you are talking about?
Yes.
Yes. We start with Honorable Paul B. You can proceed. Honorable Kilban Ngetich, proceed here so that you can be assisted to log in. Maybe you can come here. Then Honorable Paul B spoke off record. You can see that?
Yes.
Did he speak off record?
No.
And what did he say? When the speaker says, Honorable Paul B spoke off record, what was this? What was it that he said?
I abstained.
I abstained.
Yes.
And so this answer, to the extent to which it says there was off-record comment from Paul B, is a manipulation of this answer, isn't it? It's a manipulation.
Yes.
Because indeed he said, I abstain.
Yes.
Okay. And you can support that?
100%.
Okay. Then the next sentence is, Honorable Paul B, even when you abstain, you press the button.
Yes.
Was there, so indeed, Honorable Paul B is, the Honorable Speaker is answering the question from Honorable Paul B, isn't it?
Yes.
And what is the issue that he's answering to? Abstaining, isn't it?
Yeah.
And yet that abstaining is not captured in the Hansard, isn't it?
Very true.
Okay. Now, then he says press the button, isn't it?
Yes.
Was there any button that you could press in that assembly on that day?
No.
There was none. Then let's proceed on. Then there was loud consultation, then order, then the next sentence. There is no shouting, honorable members. Order. You know, honorable members, you can still refer to your standing orders when you are abstaining. Kindly, we are under electronic voting. Page 257. Honorable Gabriela Chemweno spoke off record. What did Honorable Gabriela Chemweno say?
She was informing the speaker that we have not been trained on the SAID system.
And the bit where she's complaining that we've not been trained is what the speaker has edited to say she spoke off record, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
And so this Hansard also has been edited to that extent.
Yes.
Okay. Then let's go on. Honorable Paul B. and Gabriela, I don't know what you want me to do now that you are shouting. Our officers are here to help. You log in with your credentials. Order, honorable members. Voting is ongoing. Kindly don't shout. Then loud consultations. Now, I would like then that we go back to...
Mr. Speaker, sir.
Now, so I would like us to discuss, I would like the technical team.
Yes, Counsel for the County Assembly.
Mr. Speaker, sir, with a lot of respect to my learned friend, Katwa Kigen, I think he has taken it upon himself to testify in this Senate. All the questions that he's asking, they are not questions, but he's actually asking direct question, leading the witness. The witness is not being allowed to testify on his own, but counsel actually wants to testify as though he's a witness himself. We object to this line of leading a witness in examination in chief by asking leading questions. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Now, Counsel for the Governor, I've noted the same. In fact, you tend to pronounce the answer and request the witness to confirm it. You've been in this for far longer than I was. You're senior in this profession. Kindly abide by the rules of evidence in chief when you're leading your witness.
I will, Mr. Speaker, sir. Although yesterday you said it's not necessarily a court process, but I will abide by that, Mr. Speaker, sir. And thank you for the compliment that I'm your senior, Mr. Speaker, sir. Now, I would like the technical team, with your permission, Mr. Speaker, sir, that we play the corresponding video of these proceedings where Mr. B is raising his concerns and Honorable Gabriela is raising her concerns. Just freeze it there for one moment. Just hold on. Who is that who is working forward?
Paul P.
Is that, could you look at the transcript, page 256, the Hansard?
Yes.
Now, I would like you to look at, you can proceed one by one. Yes, one by one. We start from here, one by one. Who doesn't have the phone or tablet? Yes, Honorable Francis Terrer. We start with Honorable Paul B. Is that the Paul B that the Honorable Speaker is referring to?
Yes, that's Paul B.
Okay. And is he reacting to this invite by the Speaker?
Yes.
Okay. Go on. If it could be played, just pull back once by about a second and then play. Yes, please. That's too far. Just play.
I, Paul B, I abstain.
Order, Honorable Paul B. Abstaining is in, you still press the button.
If you could freeze again. So, you could, what is Paul B saying? You now have been told not to put words in your mouth.
I abstained.
What did he say?
I abstain.
He said, I abstain.
Yes.
Could you look at the answer? Does it capture what he said?
No. Saying Paul P spoke off record.
He said spoke off record. Is that correct? Is it?
Not correct.
Okay. You'll have to struggle a little more to say what he said because
Yeah.
I've been told not to say on your behalf. The next, I want us to move on to the next part, page 257. Honorable Gabriela spoke off record. I would like the video to be, if we could be taken where Gabriela is talking. Honorable Gabriela, sorry. Just play the video on.
I, Paul B, I abstain.
Order, Honorable Paul B. Abstaining is in, you still press the button.
I, Paul B, I
Just move on,
abstain.
please.
Order, Honorable Paul B.
The next clip, please.
What is the concern? Our officers are here. Order. There should be no noise. Order. But you are logging in with your credentials.
Okay.
Is it that?
Stop there. Could you confirm if you heard the voice of somebody?
Yes.
Who is that?
Honorable Gabriela Chemuyano.
And the name Honorable Gabriela is specifically mentioned by the Speaker, isn't it?
Yes.
So it's definitely her. And what was she saying?
That we have not been trained on the
Okay.
said electronic voting system.
Now, look at page 257. Is that point that she raised about training captured?
Not at all.
What has been done?
Chemuyano spoke off record.
Is that correct?
Not true. Not correct.
Okay. Now, lastly, as we leave that point, Mr. Speaker advised you that the vote, electronic voting would be public or confidential?
Public. Oh, no, not. It should be confidential because
be
it has our credentials.
Okay. Now, I would like you to go back to page 256 for a moment. Are you at page 256? The paragraph immediately before Honorable Paul B spoke off record. Are you there?
Yes.
Yeah. I want us to look at the sentence before that. The Honorable Speaker said this. We start with Honorable B. You can proceed. Honorable Gilbert Ngetich, proceed here so that you can be assisted to log in. Maybe you can come here. You can see the Speaker offered that you'd be assisted.
Yes.
So when Honorable B was coming, what was he coming for?
To vote electronic, to be assisted.
To be assisted.
Yes.
And he communicated his vote.
Yes.
And what was his vote?
I abstain.
And it's not captured. Then he tells the same thing to Honorable Gabriela at page 256. Is it true that in the second sentence at page 256 he says, our officers here will help you log in?
Yes.
Okay. Would that vote still be confidential if you have been assisted?
Not at all, not really.
Okay. I would like us to move on to a different issue. And is it true around the same video that the 18 of you stood to protest?
Yes.
If the video could just, if the technical team could go back there to show the second time when the objection is being raised by the 18. So as the technical team is doing that, I would like to take you back. Before the proceedings of that day, when you came from home, were you aware you were going to use electronic voting?
No.
Had you been told to come with your phones?
No.
Had you been told to come with your laptops?
No.
Now, the question was put several times yesterday in the Honorable Senate as to whether you can go to a place without your tools of trade. And a comparison was made with a student going to school without a pen or a paper or a book. You remember that?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Now my question is a phone and a laptop a tool that you need to participate in the debate and voting in the assembly prior to this introduction of the electronic voting?
No.
So did you need your phone and your laptop that day?
No.
Now, before that, so you came from home not knowing you'd use electronic voting, isn't it?
Yes.
Did you come to learn that there was plan to use electronic voting that day when you had arrived at the assembly?
Yes.
You were made to understand that?
Yes.
And was that issue raised earlier in the proceedings?
Yeah, it was raised.
It was raised by who?
You yourself, as the legal team for the governor.
Yes.
And even the governor himself.
So it was raised by both the governor and his council, saying, we have been made to understand that there is a scheme to manipulate the votes by using a manipulated electronic voting,
yes.
isn't it? I would like the technical team to show the clip where the 18 identify themselves. Mr. Speaker, sir, my client comes from a very uncomfortable position. Mr. Speaker, sir, my client comes from a very uncomfortable position. That the information we have is that the voting system was installed last night, specifically targeted at the handling of this process. Both the timing, the hurry, makes us very uncomfortable. We also have information, Mr. Speaker, sir, that some votes belonging to some people supporting him, that is Amos Birir, Martin, Edna, and Dominic, have already been manipulated.
Yes,
we just want to be on record as protesting right from the one. Sorry, Mr. Speaker.
Cut one. Okay, fine.
If you could move the clip to where the 18 are being asked to stand, please. So as the Mr. Speaker, sir, you had asked me to substantiate, but Mr. Speaker, sir, you had asked me to substantiate what I said about the history, and that that history cannot happen because there are 18 members. If the 18 members can just stand so that
Honorable Katwa.
Mr. Speaker, sir.
You cannot give direction. In fact, even the honorable members themselves, you know you are out of order. I cannot even expect you to take directives from Honorable Katwa. You are out of order. You are out of order. Katwa, you are out of order.
Okay. Mr. Speaker, sir, I want to thank you for the courtesy you've shown us, the time you've extended for me. I really appreciate it. Mr. Speaker. That's all. That's okay. So, as it were, you addressed your concerns about the scheme and the plot to use manipulated electronic system long before the process of...
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Mr. Speaker, sir, that's all I have for this witness. I would like to hand him over to Mr. Mutuma.
Counsel for the County Assembly, your witness.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, for this opportunity. I will do the cross-examination to the witness.
Yes.
Good morning, Mr. Witness.
Good morning, sir.
You have been brought, for record purposes, my name is Elias Mutuma. You have been brought by the governor as a key witness in these impeachment proceedings, correct?
Yes.
You are aware that the governor is facing 3 key grounds for impeachment, correct?
Yes, I do.
In the course of your testimony,
Yes.
have you in any way tried to respond to any of the 3 issues that the governor is accused of?
I have not been asked to.
You have not been. It was not supposed to be asked. Have you, I'm asking you now, have you attempted to respond to any of the 3 charges that the governor has been accused of?
It was a cross-examination,
I am
so
asking
I
you
have not been asked.
Answer the question. Have you
No.
attempted to respond to any of the 3 charges the governor has been accused of?
No.
Thank you. Mr. Witness, let's start with the issue of the alleged call between you and the mover of this motion.
Yes.
I have looked at your certificate of electronic evidence.
Yes.
Was it you who prepared the same?
Through the DCA.
Are you the one who prepared that certificate?
Yes, it's in page 261, 262.
That's not my question. Are you the one who prepared that certificate?
It's the DCA.
It was not you who prepared it.
I reported the information to the DCI.
Do you understand my question? I'm talking about a document contained at page 261, volume 1 of the governor's response. Your name is Kibet Bosuben Hillary, correct?
Yes, yes.
There is a document there titled Certificate of Electronic Evidence.
Yes.
Is that your document?
Yes, that's my document.
That's your document. Was it you prepared or it was prepared by someone else?
It's me.
It is you, correct?
Yes.
I want you to look at, number 1, before we... So, do you confirm that the contents of that document are true and correct?
100%.
Every detail
correct.
of it?
Yes.
Thank you. Let us go to paragraph 2. Whose number is that? You have stated that that number belongs to Rogon, Honorable Rogon. Whose number is that? Can you read the number?
0724.
Page 261 of volume 1 of the governor's response. Can you read the number that you have attached now that you have owned that document?
0724.
Yes.
290.
Yes. Proceed to read what you have put in the certificate of electronic evidence.
That's it.
Is that a valid number?
No, for privacy.
Is that a valid number?
For privacy.
Answer my question. Is that a valid phone number?
No.
Have you tried to explain that you have truncated the number for security reasons?
I felt was
Is that a valid number?
No.
Does that number belong to the mover of the motion?
It has 3 missing digits, of which I did this.
So this is not his number, correct?
It's his number, but with missing
this
digits.
His number?
But with missing digits.
So it is not his number?
Yes.
You have proceeded and given your number at paragraph, the same paragraph.
Yes.
Were you not concerned about the privacy issues that you're talking about?
For my case, I don't care, because he could have sued me for exposing his privacy. But for my case, I don't care. I don't
So
mind.
then you are aware of data protection, I presume, correct?
And that's why I never put
You
those
are then aware of data protection laws in Kenya, correct? That's why you
some
sometimes...
sections.
You are aware,
Some sections.
and you are concerned about his security and privacy, correct?
Yes.
Did you seek his consent, the person to whom you're recording, before you recorded them?
I will not have done so. How could I do so? He could have hidden some information.
On one hand, you're telling us you wanted to protect the privacy of the person
Yes.
whose number you're putting here. But are you also aware that it is even more dangerous and more criminal to record someone's private conversation? Doesn't that violate their right to privacy, to conversation?
Counsel, it's common sense not to
It's not common to everyone. Answer my question. Don't you know that the Data Protection Act
No, I don't know.
criminalizes the recording
I
of
don't
private
know.
conversation?
I don't know.
You do not know.
Yes.
I put it to you
Hmm.
that it is a criminal offense to do that.
I'm getting it now.
You're getting it now.
Yes.
Even then, we have been able to confirm
Yes, sir.
that this is not Honorable Dogon's number, correct? It is not his number, correct?
But I can prove it is.
It is not his number. Is it his number?
But there are some digits.
Is this his number?
No.
Thank you. Let us go at paragraph 5C. You have talked of dates and time of recording.
Yes.
Have you provided the date and time of this recording?
Time of recording
You have
is
not.
captured here. Yes.
You have not.
Time of recording is captured 6 minutes and a few seconds.
That is not that is the duration of the call. I'm talking about the time and date of recording. Does it appear in your certificate of electronic?
Not actually. Not true.
You have not put it there.
Yes.
Mr. Witness,
Yes.
I
sir.
want to put it to you
Mm.
that this is your imagination. You have manufactured this audio for the purposes of seeking sympathy from the Senate. What would you say?
No. You know, counsel, it's easy providing evidence when you know the truth. And these are facts I can provide.
And
just
what was
like I
so
alluded.
difficult? You've said it is easy. What was so difficult then for you to produce the actual time, place, and the full number of the phone that called you? You have not, isn't it?
We are human beings.
You have
and there
not,
are
isn't
errors.
it? You have not, isn't it?
Yes.
So there is no way of then verifying that indeed this call came from Honorable Rogon.
I
Is there
can
a way?
verify.
Is there a way this Senate is able to verify
Yes.
that indeed this phone call came from Honorable Rogon?
Yes.
What are the means?
I can provide it now.
You had the opportunity and the means to do that. Did you do that?
No, that's why I'm here.
You had the means and the opportunity to do that, to reduce it into writing. Did you do that?
I'm doing it now. That's why I'm here, counsel.
Thank you. But you also confirm that you did not seek the permission of the person you are talking to before recording, correct?
Yes, and I could not have done so. Oh, yes, yes.
You did not, correct?
Yes, I did not.
How many other people do you record, by the way, when you are having conversations with?
Uh,
Is it in your habit to record everyone that you're having
no.
Why was it necessary for you to record this conversation with the person that you are talking to?
It was a sinister call. It was a suspicious call.
What was so suspicious about it?
Rogonyi was a motion mover. I was on the other end opposing the motion.
Is Rogoni an enemy to you?
No, just like I alluded in the first instance, Rogonyi is a friend. We are in 3 committees
So
together.
what
so he's
would
a
be
friend.
so strange if a friend calls you,
At that
assuming the call came from Rogoni?
Okay, what made me or what triggered?
The question I'm asking, what is so suspicious about a call
And that's what
from
I'm
a friend?
explaining.
Yes.
And that's what I'm explaining, counsel.
Yes.
I said we talked some few minutes with Rogonyi, and what he said suggested that he voted for me. And that's why I opted to record. That information triggered.
Let us interrogate that conversation. Did you believe the content of that conversation from
Yes.
wherever it came from?
Yes.
You believe every word that was uttered in that?
Yes.
There is a place where the person on the other end says, you voted. Do you recall that in your audio?
Yes.
Did you believe that fact?
No.
But you are able to believe that he voted for you.
Okay, in Kalenjin dialect, you
I am not a Kalenjin, so I do not understand.
Okay, then
you have also not. You have not. I am taking the plain meaning and ordinary meaning of that sentence.
Then it's quite unfortunate.
He said you voted, correct?
Yes.
And you said you believed what he was saying, correct?
Not all the contents, because I never voted.
So you chose to pick what to believe and what not to believe.
That's why I brought the whole clip for this house to confirm.
Clearly, the voice in that audio
Yes.
is a person who is drunk, correct?
Yes.
He even confirmed that he's drunk, correct?
Yes.
What value would you place in the words of a person who clearly confirms that they are drunk? What value would you place?
You know, Council.
He confirms he's drunk, correct?
Yes, yes.
What value would you place in the words and utterances of a drunk person?
You know, for us,
I do not know about you. Just, I'm asking you
and
specifically.
that's what I'm trying to
What
explain.
value would you give to utterances by a person who confesses that they're actually drunk?
the drunk people are very honest. They can say anything without hiding.
Are you an expert in mental assessment?
You know, I'm friends to so many people who are drunk.
Do you believe, Mr. Witness?
Yes.
There's an instance where the person on that call says,
Yes.
I will take you to Dubai and Rwanda, correct?
Yes.
Did you believe that that was possible?
It's possible.
How would it be possible?
Okay, we know, and I will wish, okay, I will request later on.
Let me ask a very straightforward question.
Yes, yes.
Who approves trips in the county assembly?
The speaker.
Were you talking to the speaker?
No.
Were you talking to the speaker who approves meetings and trips?
Of course, common sense. When you have connection.
What you're calling common sense is not that common.
You know, I know because I've been in that assembly more than you know the assembly. I've been in that assembly and I know the operations of that assembly. When you have connection with the speaker, you can decide anything. That's why he was saying he can give me position of leper.
But you were not talking to the speaker at the moment, correct?
But I understand the operations of that assembly.
Let's proceed. You have been showed a clip
Yes.
of the proceedings of the House on 15th of August,
Yes,
correct?
sir. Yes, sir.
And you allege that the majority of the members were against electronic voting.
Yes.
That the nays had it
Yes.
and not the yes,
Yes.
correct?
Yes.
In your assessment,
Yes.
how many people were
We were 18.
against? You were 18.
We were 18.
And how many were for the electronic?
29.
29. Simple mathematics. Who are the majority? 29 or 18?
Simple mathematics, 29.
How is it that the nays
It was
are the
not-
majority?
You know, the speaker used the voice, not the number.
I'm
So we
asking
were louder.
Mr. Witness,
Yes,
you
sir.
have confirmed arithmetically that 29
Yes.
were for the electronic voting.
Yes.
And 18 were not.
Yes.
Who are the majority?
29.
Thank you. Let us go to the other issue. You obviously came to the chambers prepared not to vote, correct?
Yes.
You knew from the very beginning that you are not going to vote.
No.
Is it a yes or no?
No.
The first time was
No.
yes, then it's a no.
You repeat the question in a different fashion. No.
You came to the chambers knowing that you're going to vote or you're not going to vote?
I was going to vote.
Were you aware that Standing Order 77 provides for electronic voting?
Yes, I do.
Is that binding upon the members and also the speaker?
Yes.
How were you prepared to vote electronically, knowing that you were not ready for it?
I knew because we were going, I knew the speaker, if he was fair, he could have given us the opportunity to vote on a roll call,
But
he refused.
the answers, the standing orders provide for electronic voting.
And if the members, if you could have read the whole standing
Simply
orders.
put, you came not prepared to vote electronically, correct?
Electronically, yes, correct.
Thank you. We have also seen that one Honorable Paul B.
Yes.
allegedly
Yes.
protested
Yes.
and abstained from voting.
Yes.
But the Hansards allegedly captured that he was off record.
Yes.
Explain to these honorable members who are also parliamentarians
Yes.
what an off-record remark means. What does it mean?
It was not captured in the Hansard.
What would make a remark not captured by Hansards?
I don't know.
You are a parliamentarian. You are a member of the county assembly. What would an off-record mean?
In fact, I'm surprised because it could not have been off record.
Let me educate you.
Yes.
An off-record means that it is a remark made, number one, without the permission of the speaker, or
Yes.
if it is not captured by a microphone, where the Hansard are supposed to capture, correct? Am I right?
You are right.
Did Honorable B in that video proceed to the clerk's desk where the microphone is and sought to go on record? Did he?
Yes.
We can watch it again.
They can replay.
Kindly replay that video. Let us see where Honorable Paul B is at the time of making that remark.
Yes.
Technical team, kindly. Kindly, technical team, let us see Honorable Paul B making the alleged protest. As we wait for the video,
Yes.
as per the structure of the County Assembly of Kericho, the microphone is only available at the clerk's desk, correct?
Yes.
That is where all contributions are made, official communication, so that they go on record, correct?
Yes.
Thank you. Let us see Honorable Paul B.
I, Kericho Paul B, I abstain.
Is that an off-record or on-record? Just pause. Is that an off-record or on-record remark?
There is a microphone there.
Where? The microphone is in a designated place.
Okay.
Is Paul B shouting from the floor or at the designated place where the microphone is for the purposes of capturing records?
On my observation, he was close to the
We
microphone.
are all observing, so
Yes.
it's not only dependent on the
Based on
observation. But let us look at the video. Where is he making that remark from? The floor, shouting, or in a
Clerk's-
designated place?
Near clerk's desk.
Near, but not at the designated place, correct? You don't need to explain. We can see what is happening.
Yeah.
You brought, this is your evidence.
Yes.
He's not gone on record. Correct?
Yes.
Thank you. So you cannot then accuse the speaker of tampering with the records, because that is an off-record remark, correct?
I don't think so.
Let us go to the contents of your affidavit. But before we go there, Council Katwa Kigen has also played a video
Yes.
where 18 members stood confirming that they were against the impeachment motion and that they were not going to vote electronically, correct?
Yes, sir.
At that juncture, had the debate in respect to the motion been debated?
Yes.
At what point was it? We have the answer here.
Okay, I've moved the motion, but
It was actually at the beginning of the opening remarks by Council
Very true, very
Katwa
true,
Kigen.
very true.
So the members of the county assembly had not debated the motion.
Yes. Very true. I
Very
agree with
true.
you. Yes.
So when Council Katwa Kigen asked members of the county assembly to stand
Yes.
and be counted,
Yes.
had the question been put by the speaker for them to be counted?
It was before.
It was before.
Yes.
In your assessment, was that an attempt to take over the proceedings of the House or not? Calling members of the county assembly to make their stand known before the motion was debated Is that conduct that is allowed in parliamentary proceedings?
Well, building a case.
You were building a case.
That was a sign of communication.
Thank you. So you were building a case?
Yes.
And this is the case you produced before the Senate?
Yes.
Does Councillor Katwa Kigen take charge of the proceedings in the County Assembly?
No.
Did he have the powers to ask members of the County Assembly to stand and be counted and a vote be taken before the motion was debated?
Yes, he can do so. Because just like you are asking me questions.
Thank you. Luckily, we are speaking to parliamentarians.
Yes.
But you confirm that came way before the motion was debated?
Yes.
To build your case?
Yes.
And this is your case before Senate today?
Yes.
Thank you.
Are you done, Counsel, for the County Assembly?
Just a minute, Honorable Speaker. I just have a few more. You have signed an affidavit that you've presented before the Senate, correct?
Yes.
And in that affidavit,
yes, sir,
18 of you
yes,
appeared before a commissioner for oaths and saw an affidavit.
Yes.
Explain to me how that affidavit was signed. Were you present when that affidavit was signed by all the members?
Yes.
Where was it signed from?
7th floor of Cable Plus, Marisha building.
Page 115.
115.
Of the volume 1 of the governor's volume. Do you abide by the contents of that affidavit yourself? You're
yes,
among the people who signed this
yes,
affidavit.
Yes.
So we are to take that the contents of that affidavit are true.
Yes.
Let us, number one, look at paragraph 114. Page 114, paragraph 8. You say that during the said voting session, electronic voting machines were introduced and used without prior notice. Were there any machines that were introduced and used in the County Assembly of Kericho? You mentioned of machines produced.
Yes.
Were there any voting machines produced?
We were told.
You were told.
Yes.
You confirm on oath that machines were produced. Now you're saying there were no machines. Is that what you're saying?
No.
Were there machines?
I never even took time because I was determined not to press or to go to any machine.
So you did not even attempt to log in to even find whether you are able to vote or not?
Never.
So you didn't even know whether the system was working or whether it was simple or not? You wouldn't know? You never bothered, that's what you said?
Just like I said before, I know our assembly. So I could not have attempted to touch or even see any gadget in the assembly.
But you confirm that there were no machines that were introduced. There were no machines introduced, correct?
Pardon?
Were there any machines produced, voting machines produced?
I believe so, because the speaker said there are some gadgets.
It is not an issue of believing, it's an issue of fact. This is something you've deponed on oath. And you state categorically that machines were introduced. Were there any machines introduced in the County Assembly?
Yes, I think so.
What were those machines?
Laptops, some stuff there in the front. I don't even know because I never took my
Mr. Witness.
time. Yes, sir.
This is your affidavit.
Yes, sir.
What machines were produced?
There were some laptops and some screens mounted on the wall.
So was the screen mounted on the wall a voting machine? Is that
No.
what you want us to believe?
It was displaying
I want
the voting pattern.
my interest is in the machine that was produced and installed.
Yes.
Which machine is that?
The machines we were told to use are our phones.
What? Oh, so now your phone is the machine that
Yes.
was introduced.
Okay, what I was referring was my phone.
You can distance yourself from this paragraph if you're not comfortable with it.
No.
I do not understand what no means. Do you want to distance yourself from what you have stated in this affidavit?
No.
You still abide by it?
Yes.
And what are the machines that were introduced?
Laptops and our phones.
Those are the machines that were
Yes.
introduced. Mr. Witness, on
Yes,
my
sir.
last question,
Yes, sir.
are you familiar with the provisions of your standing order 115?
115, unless I check.
And before you check,
Yes, sir.
you confirm that you did not vote.
Yes.
And you also came determined not to vote electronically.
Yes.
Correct? Correct?
Yes.
So you did not register your abstention in this vote. You did not.
Yes.
You did not. I want you to read for me 115J. 1J. 115J. Read 115.1. 115.1.
115.1.
Yes.
Conduct is disorder.
What is the title?
Disorderly conduct.
Disorderly conduct.
Yes.
1.
Conduct is disorderly if the member concerned creates actual disorder.
Go J. To J.
Okay. Fails to record abstention in a division.
Fails to record abstention in a division.
Yes.
Which you did, correct? You did not record abstention in a division, correct? You said you did not vote. You did not even bother.
Yes.
Thank you.
But we record our abstention in division by standing.
There was an opportunity for you to record that by voting, pressing the button abstain. Did you press that button abstain? You did not.
No.
So you're asking this Senate to actually confirm that you are guilty of disorderly conduct. And you also want this Senate to congratulate you and also reward you for disorderly conduct. Is that what you're asking the Senate to do?
It's upon the determination of the Senate to listen to our views.
Thank you. That's all for this witness.
Thank you.
Counsel for Governor, any re-examination?
Yes, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Witness.
Yes, sir.
When you say there were machines, what did you mean? What did you have in mind? What was it you are referring to?
My phones. My phone, our phones, and the laptops in the class.
So apart
desk.
from your phones, the laptops, what else were there? Were there anything else?
The screen mounted.
There were
on
screens also. Thank you. Now, I would like the technical team to take us to the same clip that was played by my learned friend, Mr. Mutuma, on the comments made by Honorable Paul B. And as the technical team does that, I wanted to move on to something else. Did the provision that you have to vote by electronic, was the electronic voting the only means of voting that was?
No, we had other options.
What were the other options you had?
Second division and third roll call voting.
And there was also an option for roll call voting?
Yes.
And that is provided for in your standing orders?
Yes.
And did you ask for that roll call voting?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'd like you to look at the provisions. You've been asked that you misconducted yourselves under standing order number 115.
Yes.
By refusing to press a button.
Yes.
I would like you to read out to the honorable senators standing order number 77-8. On that issue.
778 of our standing orders says, any member present in the assembly but who shall not have voted at the expiry of 5 minutes or after the announcing of the results, whichever is earlier, shall forfeit the right to vote and shall be deemed to have abstained from voting. Thank you.
So as it were from that standing order, is it true that you had an option not to vote at all?
Yes.
And would that be misconduct?
No.
And what type of a vote would that be?
Abstained.
It would be abstaining. Thank you. If the technical team is ready, please, if you could play that video of Paul B. walking forward. And just before it is played, I want you to just look out for a number of things. The first one, both from the Hansard and from the clip, and the answer is at page 256 to 257. I want it to come out to the honorable senators through you, Mr. Witness, that Mr. Paul B's coming is at the invite of the speaker. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Number two, that where he goes to talk, where he goes to make his comments, is where the clerk is pointing him to, or at least the assistants of the county assembly. So I want you to watch out that.
Correct.
And lastly, that after he spoke, the speaker acknowledged his comments. If we could play the clip now.
I abstain.
Order, Honorable Paul B. Abstaining is in, you still press the button.
That's okay. So from the reading of the Hansard and the clip we are seeing, Mr. Bolpi walked there when he was invited by the speaker, isn't it?
Yes.
When he walks nearer the clerk's desk, the two assistants are showing him where to stand and talk, isn't it?
Yes.
And he does that, isn't it?
Yes.
So is it true, as my learned friend put it to you, that the comments were made without the permission of the speaker?
It is not true.
The truth is that?
It was directed by the speaker.
He was invited, he was shown where to speak, and his comments are acknowledged, isn't it?
Yes.
And in the situation, should it have been in the answered?
Yes.
Okay. Now, you've been asked several questions, both in regard to your certificate of electronic voting, the number used, and then ultimately the question was put to you, whether it is possible to verify that audio. So the first question I want to ask you is that audio genuine and true?
Very genuine.
And you can put your life on the line for that?
Yes.
Okay. And if the honorable senators wanted to verify, are you in a position to give both the number that called to communicate that audio,
yes,
and the number to which it was sent?
Yes.
And that can verify the truth of that information?
Yes.
Thank you. So the last question I wanted to ask you, before that, Mr. Mutuma took an issue on me saying that Mr. Katwa misbehaved in the county assembly. You remember that?
Yes, yes.
Did I misbehave?
For my case, I don't think so.
Okay. Now, more importantly, I just wanted to ask you, what led to the invite of the 18 MCAs to stand? What made it necessary to do that?
You were requesting so that we can do an over.
No, what had I been asked to substantiate?
Yes.
So it was in reaction to the invite by the speaker to substantiate the existence of 18 people opposed to the impeachment?
Yes, yes.
Okay. And the last question I want to ask you is, are you in the habit of recording people?
No.
Okay. And lastly, you said you are friends with Honorable Ogony. You said you are friends with the person who called you Honorable Ogony, the mover of the motion, isn't it?
Yes.
You also said, I hope I'm not crossing the line. I know I've been told not to lead, but at least that one you had said, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what did you, and you said he took over your office when you, after the first impeachment?
The first impeachment.
He took over the chairmanship that you held?
Yes.
Okay. And when he offers you, in the clip, when he offers you the chairmanship of the leper department, the leper committee,
yes,
could he have delivered it?
Yes, I'm sure he could have delivered.
You are sure?
Yes.
So even when you declined this, you knew you are declining something that was as good as money in the bank?
Yes.
And why are you sure that you could deliver it?
He's a friend to the speaker.
He is a friend to the speaker?
Yes.
And even the motion he was moving was on behalf of the speaker?
I think so.
That's all, Mr. Speaker, sir. Thank you for this witness.
Now, honorable senators, we shall move to questions and clarifications directed either to the witness or to the parties. Senator Eddie Okech.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. One is a question to the witness.
Yes, sir.
And then one is a clarification from the council. So I'll start with the council. Council, do you feel from what the council, from the assembly side as indicated here, that what you did was tantamount to putting a question before the assembly? And from the act of what you did in the assembly, was that almost equal to putting a question in the assembly? And then number two is to the witness.
Yes, sir.
Other than this issue of electronic voting, which we have got other avenues to be able to, confirm, because the speaker had ruled that we'll have an expert. You followed the proceedings in the assembly, in your assembly, and you have also followed the proceedings in this assembly. There are issues that have emerged. Do you feel that those issues, including allegations that you have seen about the misuse of funds, some of the projects that are not done well by the governor, do you feel that those issues are a threshold for impeaching the governor as a member of the county assembly? Do you feel that those issues are, because you haven't responded to any of those issues. I know you're not asked, but because you followed the proceedings then, and you followed the proceedings in this Senate, do you feel that there are issues that warrant the impeachment of the governor?